Hey, welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. I've already got the soft top uninstalled, but today I'm going to show you how one person can install the hard top all by himself. Join me. So the first thing I'm going to do for this install is take off these doors. Just going to make it a whole lot easier when I'm in the garage. Always got to remember to take this antenna off or it's going to get broke on the door. So now what I got to do now that the Jeep is backed up into the garage is I got to line up the top so that the holes line up with the holes in the frame as I'm lowering it down on the winch. And as you can see, it lowers down slow enough that you can get it into position without too much trouble. I'll come back over to here, put that in the proper grooves, and now it's just a matter of lowering it down all the way. Let's go to the front and release. This one right here by spinning it. Let's go around to the other side and do the same thing. There is a wing nut installed on top there. So we're just going to have to get to that wing nut and release that nut from the bolt. Now that that is finished, let's raise the winch back up. Now that the winch is up high enough that it's not going to hit the Jeep when I pull out, I'm going to pull it out of the garage and finish the install. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the storage area for the bolts and I'll pull out all 8 of these. And let's put them into place. Then on the front, we've only got 2. Right here in the corner, on both sides. So that's how it's done, a one-man installation to put your hard top on. I couldn't have done it without this Christmas present that I got last year, which was the rooftop hoist, which is wired and it goes back up to that corner and then down to this winch. I was able to install this hardtop within 20 minutes. Couldn't ask for anything better than that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget I do a video every Sunday, so if you want to get notified of that, do make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining me, guys, and until next time, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon.